Tools built for multifunctional design are integral for our creations, but most 3D printers create the same way. And we wanted more. The Maker Pi P3 Pro is a high-functioning 3D printer with the IDEX system, which includes a mixed extruder, independent dual extruders, high-temperature extruder, dual-gear flexible extruder, and a laser engraver. It also has a stable ABL and independent dual-axis functioning, which gives you a more stable print. Our independent dual extruder operation is a first-of-its-kind modular head that allows you to quickly switch between a mixed extruder, a set of independent dual extruders, an all-metal high-temperature extruder with a hardening steel nozzle, a dual-gear extruder with flexible filaments, and a laser engraving head, all in one device. And with so many functions, P3 Pro is true innovation in 3D printers. It works with this, and works with this, and this. We didn't just make P3 Pro multi-material, we made it multifunctional. Check this out. Level 1. Mix any PLA filament for an incredible mixed color or gradient to add a unique flair to your print designs. Level 2. Create intricate outcomes with our multi-material independent dual extruders, using water-soluble and standard PLA, so you have more of this and less of this. Level 3. Make it strong, really strong, with our high-temp PACF-compatible hardening steel nozzle. Level 4. Go mirror mode to print matches both hard and flexible. Level 5. Lasers. Need we say more? And if that's not enough, P3 Pro comes with a gigantic 300 by 300 by 360 maker space, foolproof cable connections, nozzle-safe silicone material brushes, and our aluminum substrate hotbed can handle temperatures up to 110 degrees, guaranteeing incredible thermal performance and rapid uniform heating. It has an adjustable synchronous belt for stable printing and engraving performance, and a hardened steel extruder nozzle with temperatures up to 300 degrees. A bright 4.3-inch LCD touchscreen for easy operation, power outage print resume, and filament outage detection. We never want you to be limited in your creative achievements because your tools are limited in design. And with the P3 Pro 3D printer, you have a 5-in-1 multi-integrated partner in your maker tool space that will open a world of creativity at the touch of a button.